to Credit One, I believe you can only have two Credit One bank credit cards, but you will want to double check with Credit One. I also said the same thing about Capital One, but somebody said that they got three Capital One credit cards. So you definitely want to call Credit One and Capital One and ask them, hey, how many credit cards am I able to have with you guys? And then ask them, am I able to have the same exact credit card? Because sometimes, like with Capital One, when I first got with Capital One, they told me I can have two credit cards, but it could not be the same. When I tried to get two platinums, they said no, it can't be two platinums. So then I got the platinum and I got the quicksilver. So double check with these companies, but I believe you cannot have like the same exact cards. Now, I made another video about Credit One. It's like to tell you guys about the different credit cards through Credit One, and I think it was like 5 of their credit cards did not have an annual fee. So I wanted to talk to you guys and tell you guys about the ones that did not have an annual fee, because that's the biggest thing. People say, oh, they charge you too much money, or they have annual fees. So when you guys call Credit One, ask them, can I get the same card, or do I have to have a different card? And when they say you have to have a different card, go in and see the cards that have no annual fees and try to get those. To me, they don't really have like rewards that you want to fight over. Like, I want they just don't have that. They don't have any type of huge and amazing reward. So try to see like which ones don't have an annual fee and try to get those. And when it come down to Capital One, and Credit One too, because Credit One can pre-qualify you. Try to see which ones they can pre-qualify you for too, because sometimes you may say, hey, I want to have this credit card, and they may say, no, you can't get that one. So try to see which ones they can actually give you, and try to get ones with no annual fee if you can help. But I believe you only can have two, but it's not the same ones.